This video is brought to you by Pahrump Valley Air Conditioning and Heating, 775-727-7488.
We wanted to have start a program called the Adolescent Enrichment Program. We're looking at some of the problems I think that students are having, our youth are having in regard to staying clean and sober, living in environments that are maybe toxic, that are not clean and sober, a lack of activities, a lack of interaction, a lack of role models, those kinds of things. And so what we're looking to do is we're brainstorming today basically with members of the community to try to develop a format and an approach going forward that's sustainable. We've had a lot of, I think, over the years in Pahrump, we've had some false starts with adolescent programs, and what we wanted to do is bring in as many of the community as possible and get a stake in the ground, so to speak, today, and to begin moving forward. And it's not formal counseling per se, but it'd be more like a peer support. It would be role modeling, mentoring, those kinds of things, and meeting the kids really where they're at. Do they need help with school? Do they need a referral to a doctor? Do they need just more activities to do? So we're looking at how to fill that void that they may potentially have.
When I was younger, I don't think we had enough peer systems here for us. We didn't have enough role models, and a lot of us didn't learn from others that've been addicts, because I didn't really know anything about adult addicts until I was an adult myself. So I feel that that's what they need out here, is role models to teach them. Young teenagers being pregnant. I'm a mom of 6, so being able to show them about parenting, because I know a lot of them are going to be 18 soon, the parenting, the addicts, how to deal with an addict, how to deal with life on life's term with them. And I didn't get that as a young adult. I went to a juvenile prison. They didn't do what we're trying to do today with the young adults and the juveniles.
Rebecca and a couple of other people in there were they've been through this before, so they know what to expect, and they're really the driving motivators behind what we can do to make things better. So I guess that the youth that we have today may not have to go through some of the things that they went through, or at least to help teach them where to avoid pitfalls.